That's how the strategy works every single trade, right?
There's lots of reasons for the bears to say, okay, let's come back and rebalance.
Stay smart, stay ready, stay profitable.
All right, folks, welcome in to the Profit Panel. Ladies and gentlemen, we are waiting patiently for our gurus to be on with us, and I am also a bit behind today, and we got Jeff Smith with us now. And my dog is letting me know that there's someone at the door. She is very much a protector. How you doing, Jeff?
Doing good. How you doing?
Man, I tell you, it's been a busy morning, but we're kicking. We're hanging in there. We got this AWS outage going on that's kind of impacting everything, and it's just been crazy.
I think it's been more than just AWS today. I mean, on Friday, what was really crazy, I have AT&T at my house, the AT&T internet.
Yeah.
And I could not get to the Wall Street Journal. I couldn't use my Hulu at all. There's a lot of things I could not use, but there were some things that did work. And then I grabbed the old, digital crack device here and hotspotted it.
Yeah.
And it worked beautiful. I could use anything I wanted to in the house. So AT&T was getting trashed somehow, and then we come in today and AWS is down. Just like somebody's hacking somebody in the world here. I don't know what's going on.
It's Russia. They're testing us.
So
they're testing our infrastructure.
Yeah.
Sure, it says maybe it's a WW hack. It could be.
Yeah.
You never know.
It seems to be that way. I don't know, but that's kind of the way it seems.
There was a big one a few years ago. You remember the SolarWinds hack when they found out that the Russians had installed that back door and they pushed out the update to a bunch of the SolarWinds? Yeah, that was a crazy one. So that stuff does happen from time to time. It's crazy.
And you're gonna love this one too. So when I click on the link to get the chat, Trend Micro says it's a threat and it won't let me open it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, there it is.
So
that's the story of the day right there, Jeff.
Yeah.
It's been problems. I woke up and I was checking my Ring camera. And I was like, man, why is this dang thing off? I'm like, this thing keeps failing on me. So I got to my garage. I'm like flipping this switch, and I'm like, what is happening? And then I see in the company portal, they're like, AWS is down. And I'm like, no way that Ring is shared by AWS. It is. Oh, and by the way, all of the crypto market is run by AWS as well. So what runs AWS? I don't know. Dinosaur says his bank is down. Yeah, it's just crazy. Crazy times. Did you see gold was up like 3.5% today?
Oh yeah. Well, they really jumped that thing up. I mean, it's up 100. I mean, just like yesterday, we saw it get dumped off. I mean, not yesterday, last week. And I thought, there's no reason behind them dumping gold like that, except it got to 4,000 almost, and then just turned it around. And here we are, about 20 points from the all-time high. so
brush that off.
Yeah.
No big deal. And now we got Alex Reed in the house, looking like from a brand new office from the looks of it.
Oh yeah, I'm in Graham's house office.
Oh, you're still down in Jacksonville.
Yeah. I'm going back
tomorrow. There you go. You're in the trading room.
The trading den, man.
The trading den, absolutely.
Yeah. So, what's up, everyone? How many people we got in here today?
We got 218 people in here right now.
Welcome.
We are full.
Hold on a second. I gotta readjust something real quick.
Yeah, you take your time. I'm just playing catch up here. I made it just in time to start the room for you all, and it's just been a good. Are you able to access the chat, Jeff, or is that link not working for you?
I clicked the one that I saved last week. I clicked the one that you posted in there, and that Trend Micro thing is just blocking the crap out of it.
Oh no.
What's blocking? Let me see if I can get in.
Yeah, see if you can get into the chat, Alex. Make sure you can see what the good folks are saying, because right now I can see what everyone's talking about.
And so I sent that to Ileana and see what she can find out.
Yeah, I can. Oh, wow. Boating. Amazon losing $72.8 million per hour. That's crazy.
Here, Jeff, I just sent you another link. You could try that one. That's the link to the
All
actual
right.
stream, and then the chat will be on the side. Just make sure to mute it or you'll hear an echo.
No, I get the same problem.
Oh, man.
Close.
Hey, how's my audio? I'm on this mic. Can everybody hear like my audio is nice, crystal clear?
Yeah,
Oh,
I can hear you fine.
Cool.
You sound good, man.
I know, dude. I like this. I got the good stuff, man. I have like Graham has like 3 monitors here. I have to get some new monitors. I have to get some more monitors. I'm usually on just like an laptop and then 1 monitor. I have 2. It's overwhelming, but it's also really cool.
There you go. Are they big old like 32-inch monitors too, so you can see everything?
Dude, I can see everything, dude.
It's got the bird's eye view of the market now.
Everything, dude. It's like limitless. It's like I took the limitless pill. I can see it all. It's all clear now.
That's funny.
All right. Well, so welcome everybody new to Profit Panel. Welcome. I'm Alex. I'm sure you all know Jeff and Blake. He's the mod here. We do different things on each day of Profit Panel. So just to lay out the schedule, it's going to be slightly altered today because what we do on Monday is unusual flows, which none of these scanners work right now. So we're not going to be doing that. Welcome to Profit Panel. But so that's
not even my camera today is working.
Yeah. There's no external noise either, which is good.
That is good.
So Tuesdays we do we combine, me and Jeff combine forces, his momentum scanner, which maybe we'll do today, and my wave indicator. We do that to put on some trades. Wednesdays are weekly credit spreads that expire on Friday. We open them on Wednesday, that expire on Friday, aiming just to collect 100% of premium. Open it and done. Thursdays are 1 DTE, lotto plays, and then Fridays are longer term 200, like monthly, month out, 1 to 200 like doubles to triples winners, aiming for that. So a lot of stuff to look forward to. We send a lot of trades your way. Take what you want, leave what you don't, but have fun and let's trade the markets.
That's right.
So let's actually. So since we don't have the flows going up, let's just real quick. Let's do some trades. What's your scanner showing today with this recovery, Jeff? Anything good?
Like this one, good old Apple is on today.
Apple.
Yeah.
Okay,
I saw that and I was like, man, that thing's been getting trashed. I thought. But the FTAI is on there too. So
FTAI?
Yeah. Let me see what that looks like here.
Can everybody see my charts?
Not yet. Let me do that for you.
Oh, okay.
There they are.
All right. 1 day FTAI.
Yeah, Foxtrot, Tango, Alpha, India.
Oh, interesting. What does this company do?
I think they do industrial leasing, aviation stuff, something like that. It's in there somewhere.
Why are they popping?
That one I can't figure out, but I know a better one is probably SanDisk, SNDK, and they make hard drives and stuff. So that one looks good.
Oh yeah. Ooh, it does look good. The only thing is FTAI has a wave.
Aha.
Has a wave
I
call
like
on
that.
it. All right, let's see what these options are. Nothing on the 24th. Pretty thin chain here. Even thinner on the 34th. Oh, we got some. Maybe do a spread. These are expensive too. We could do a spread though.
Yeah.
Let's see. What is it? What's the strike price for this? This would be one.
We're trading 174.46.
And that's at 187. Wow, that's pretty high. All right. Well, the 19th of December is ridiculous. It's like $1,000. It's going to be an expensive spread. Let's see if we go. So I'm seeing some volume spike on the $182.50.
Well, on the 14th, which is 25 days out, they got 5 wide spreads on this thing. And
there's like no volume though.
Yeah, you're right. I'm seeing lots of zeros on here.
Yeah. Yeah. So, okay. Are there any other tickers besides FTAI and SanDisk?
I'm sure there are. Let's go back over there.
Dude, I make the same noise when I'm like searching for stuff. My wife always jokes me. She's like, every time you're like thinking of things, you're like, do. I'm like, do I do that? She's like, yeah, you do. Yeah, that's why we're Profit Panel friends, because we do.
That's right. NTRA. Or TEM.
Wait, Natera is that's a gas? No, it's some commodity, right? Or like
no, Natera is like healthcare.
Oh, okay. That's pretty balling, but nothing on the wave. What else? What's the other one?
Tempest, TEM.
Oh.
There's no wave on that one either.
I do like this setup. So I either like FTAI or Tempest though. Let's look at I know the Tempest probably has better options than FTAI because Nancy Pelosi trades that. That was her last great trade, I think, or one of the Congress people. Anybody know a congressperson traded Tempest AI recently?
You don't like ETFs, do you?
No, I don't mind trading ETFs. So we're doing spreads and stuff, or with the wave indicator. I just don't like them for the flows because there's too much money.
Well, look at XME.
No wave, but like look at that hard candlestick, that hard rejection of a low today.
Right.
Off 9. What is this? Is this miners?
It's metals and mining ETF.
Just like weighted towards anything gold and silver, probably more.
I haven't ever looked at what they hold. Let me go see what they hold. Chart. Let's see what their top holdings are here. If this site works. They have Centrus Energy. Come on. Where'd you go? There we go. LEU, Centrus, CDE. I don't know what that one is. Hecla Mining. Yeah, it's gold.
Hecla Mining. That's a fun one to trade.
Yeah, they even got Alcoa in there too.
All right. Let's see. Well, so these options are no, it's TEM, XL, XME. Let's look at XME. Still expensive options.
Monthlies on this? That's all right. I thought they had weeklies on this.
Oh, they don't. Oh wow, look at that. Maybe we save this for a monthly.
Yeah, I think we ought to. I thought they
Yeah.
had weeklies on this, and they don't.
So we'll do this on like Friday. We'll come back to XME. I'm gonna put this on the good old watch lists. I bet I have how many companies you guys got on your watch list? Everybody watching? I got too many. I don't even know. I've stopped tracking most of these companies.
Way too many. I need to go clean it up.
I gotta do some janitorial services on the watch list, man.
So let's go beautify ourselves. Look at Estee Lauder.
Oh, what's that ticker?
EL.
Oh shit. Whoa. Dude, Estee Lauder can move, man.
Yeah, it really can. It showed up today, and I was just like, what the heck? But it just broke 100. And I'm wondering if
They have good options, I think.
Yeah, they do have good options, I think, on that. They got weeklies.
Gosh, all these are expensive though.
Yeah. Options are expensive. Have you looked at options lately? They're all expensive. And the calls it's the calls that are the expensive ones. The puts don't cost squat.
That's really weird because usually puts are a little more expensive.
Yeah. The puts are cheap and the calls are real expensive.
Are we gearing up for like a melt up now? I don't know why that would happen.
Yeah. But I noticed that when I was looking at this morning, I was looking at American Express like we did last week.
Uh-huh.
And it was doing that. And I was just like, okay, American Express must be going up. Of course, they kind of pulled back a little bit today.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, Estee Lauder has a lot of fresh volume coming in too. Trying to see. I suppose we could do a spread on this one. I mean, the only reason we do a spread, folks, is just because debit spread is because it's a little. I mean, it's up. If only I could check. Though I think it might have hit some of my scanner stuff, but it's $1.61 per contract. It's just expensive, also. I mean, not $1.61 is not super expensive, but I like to trade under $1 options because I just think it's more fun. And you're also more likely to get bigger gains from 20 cents, I think, going to 80 cents. Is this all-time highs? Oh, no, it's not. Oh, it's not even all-time highs. Okay, let's see. Let's look at some levels here. That's a level. Where's the next? Wow. We could have a runner on this one.
Yeah. So I'm wondering, and I don't know what you think about this. This is, I mean, if you're looking for something under $1, you can do the December 19th, 135 calls, and they're like 75 cents, 80 cents. If that's kind of what you're looking for on that. Otherwise, we could just do a call spread that expires out in November.
What do you think about like a call spread that expires at the end of this month?
Oh, that's even better. I like that. Was that the 20? No, it'd be the
31st or the 24th. The 24th, what's the premium on like a 10? We're at 103, like a 103, 104. That's $1.
The 24th. That's only 4 days out. That's a weekly this week.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm just seeing what it would look like.
Oh, okay.
54 cents. 31st. Let's see if the 31st do the same strikes. 43 cents for next week. So one thing I use, ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Profit Panel, you might not know this. I like this thing called when the wave indicator actually is one of my products. You do have to buy it. The wave indicator is available to buy. If you can you drop the phone team into the chat if you want to buy the wave indicator?
Yeah,
just give the phone team a call. I don't have like a presentation or anything that teed up for it, but if you do want to buy it, you can give a team a call. They can hook you up.
Yeah, I'll put the link in there too for anybody that wants to hop in on that, and I'll add the phone number now.
Okay, awesome. Thanks.
No problem.
Oh, Jody, poets up. Okay, let's see. Let's stay focused. It's so hard not to talk to you all and also stay focused on these trades. Okay, so we could get into the debit spread at 43 cents for next week for Estee Lauder. But for all the men out there and the women, you have to go buy some makeup, buy some lipstick for your wife. Ladies, go buy some foundation so we can make sure you win on this. Okay, if we open this position. All right, so I use this thing called Option Strat. If you're a new member, maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. I recommend trying it out for free. And if you do trade a lot of options, oh man, it's not loading. I bet they're AWS too. Yep. This is crazy.
Oh no. You know what that means, Alex? Now you got to go use optionsprofitcalculator.com, the old school one.
Yeah. Well, we know. Oh shit! It already moved up. Okay, let's do this trade. I'm gonna try and get in. It's already moved up to 50. So I talk too much sometimes about these trades before we do them, and they always move. Okay, so we're taking the 31st of October EL. I'm gonna type it out into the chat. Basically, we have trying to get in at like under 50. So we'll try and hopefully we can get out with like a 25% winner by the end of the week or by the end of next week, maybe more. Where's the chat? Come back here, chat. Dude, how do I get okay? Yeah, pink sparkles. I'm coming. Give me a second. Okay, EL is the ticker. EL. We're gonna buy to open 31 October 25 $103 call. Sell to open 31 October 25 $104 call. Bodine, I do the Black Scholes calculation in my sleep, man. I'm like waking up. I just have all these option strats. I'm just kidding. I definitely can't do that in my head. Actually, don't really like doing math that much. And then okay, this is the order. Let's see if we can get filled. So it's at 53 cents now. Let's see if we can get filled for like 40. I'm gonna go 48. We're gonna let that simmer and see if we can get it. So I'm trying 48 cents for that. Everybody got that teed up. It's at 52. Go max of 50. Maybe at 48 is probably not. I'll try 50. See if it comes back down for us a little bit. And then we can set a good to close at like 75 cents that way. If we get filled at 52, we'll set it for 77 cents. Let's try and get a 25% gain out of it regardless. Okay, I'm not going to I'm just going to go 52. I'm filled at 52. So go ahead and set a good to cancel order. That's like 77. Good to cancel. I'll write all this out in a second. So I was in at 52.
I'm working 52.
Word. You think 77 is a good to cancel?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Set GTC at 77. Mario, what's up? Mario's new. Welcome, man. Okay, RJB build at 52. All right. So there we go. So let me ask you a question while we're all here. Who hasn't shown up to either of the free ride scanner reveals we've done so far? Let me know in the chat if you've missed it, because I know you guys get busy. Life's busy. I understand. Oh, David got filled at 50. So yeah, so whatever you get filled at, basically the width of the spread. So $1 is your max profit. So if you get filled at 50, you can make $1, which would be 100. I'm setting a good to cancel for 25%. So in my case, it'd be 77 cents. If you're 50, it's 75 cents. Okay, so Bob missed it. Anybody else missed the free ride scanner reveals? Because I want to tell you a little more about that, because it's, if you've been around, been talking about it a lot. I'm really excited. Yeah, voting is being aggressive. 44. Morgan is good asking a question. Is there a time to get a class on how to trade for beginners? Morgan, I recommend coming to this class. We talk about so much. These are all recorded on YouTube too. They're posted to YouTube. I think they're live streamed actually too as well. So you can also always go to YouTube and watch those. But we do a ton of trading education. We do trading education. Like we'll do like little courses. Sometimes we just do free trades. You can ask us questions. So just come to these events. Maybe we'll get something more like maybe we'll get something more, for like a beginner course down the road. But you will learn a lot just by watching us, talk about the markets. So yeah. So okay. Before we get to the free ride scanner, though, any other what you watching today, Jeff? Like anything super interesting standing out to you? Like macro or anything? Just to
yeah. I mean, I've been more than anything just doing the metal stuff. That's what's been really I've been jumping on, just because it's been up so much today. I mean, if you look at gold, it's up over $100. So outside of that, I've been the indexes themselves were kind of positive, but there were a couple of stocks, that I was kind of looking at. If you looked at what Netflix, of course, Netflix is outrageously priced. It had a pretty good move today, along with Apple. But also Caterpillar was up pretty good today.
Oh yeah, Caterpillar is cruising, man. So what's interesting is that you look at gold. So this is typically, and let me know if I'm wrong. You're more the metals guy than I am, but I would say that the fact that if you go over here, look at gold, right? Look at this. Everybody see this candlestick? Come over here to silver. Everybody see this candlestick? What's the difference? One's green, the other's red. Now, I would take it to the bank that silver is going. It's usually lagging gold a little bit. So this is actually like you could probably put on like a good weekly spread on silver, SLV, I would think. And we already have one open.
Yeah, you could actually do like a 47.5, 48.5 or something like that, and probably do pretty well in it.
Yeah, because it's probably going to snap back to sort of echo gold, I would think.
Yeah. That's on SLV is what I was thinking of. Yeah,
SLV right here. Yeah, we have a spread open. I don't really know if I want to open it. I don't know if I want to open another spread on SLV, but let's look. What strikes did you say? I'll give it to people in case they want to do it. I just have a spread that's running. It's like 212%. So I don't.
Well, I was looking at the SLV. I didn't look at expiration. I was just looking at the price of it. But my guess is you could probably go out to the 31st with a 47. Let's do this. 47.5, 48.5. What is that going to cost you? That's at 40 cents.
Oh wow! For what? 31st?
Yes, for the 31st. That's a 47.5, 48.5, and if SLV goes back up and retests that $49, $50 area, then it should do us really well.
So I'm just gonna. Again, I'm not putting this on because I already have one. I just don't want to manage 2 different silver positions in my brokerage. It confuses me.
I know that for a fact because they'll line up those stupid options in order of strike.
I know.
And you're sitting going, wait a second, I have this spread, not that spread.
Yeah, and then it throws off like my. I mean, I know you can organize them, but then it just throws off my P&L. And like I tend to have like a few positions on at any, like quite a few on at any one time. So I'm like, so I don't want to like dive in. I just want to be able to get a bird's eye view and like look at stuff. So you said the 47.5, 48.5.
Yeah, 47.5, 48.5 next week.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's a good, and I had a good price for that with this little sell off in SLV. So, if you're still in the spreads that we took a while ago, like you're up 200 some percent. So you don't have to take this one unless you want to, but putting this in here, 47.5 call, sell to open 31 October 25, 48.5 call. Looks like you can get in at like 42 cents. You can push it maybe if you want to. And then, set your good to close for, whatever you want. I mean, you could, this is a 47.5 call. So you could, you could get like a 120% if you want to run it to the max, or you can just set it for 25%, so you would take your, whatever you get in. So say you get in at 50, again, you would set it for a good to click cancel order until 0.75. That's 25% gain. And just do the math on whatever your fill price is, ladies and gentlemen. James, I typed it out below there, my man. You can see it. Yes, this. So, let's see what's going on here. All right.
It's a 41 cents now.
41 cents. Yes, you can get even better. All right. Well, that gets ready to fill. Go ahead.
Build at 39. Good job, Barbara.
Ooh, nice, Barbara. All right. So been talking about my free ride scanner a lot. Want to show you all what I've been working on so hard for so many months. I'm really excited about this. We've had a ton of people already get to using this thing. And guess what? Can you go ahead and share my screen there, Blake?
Absolutely.
Is it working today?
The scanner, it is. Well, yeah, we have had a few. Yeah, we have some AWS issues too, but the scanner on our end is working.
Awesome. Okay, great.
So, guess what, guys? I've been giving out these free alerts on Telegram. A lot of you have seen them, and I said I'd taken them away, but I'm going to give you a chance to actually get this for free. So, get the scanner for free, test drive it for free. It's going to be really cool. You want to kick us off here, Jeff? I'll
yeah.
Let me see. How do I?
Hold on. I gotta say. Let's see here. There's the verbiage. We develop tools and strategies to the best of our ability, but no one can guarantee the future. Of course, there is always a risk of loss when trading. Past performance is not indicative of future results. What you'll be seeing today are some of the best examples from the Public Trade Research Service that utilizes this underlying method. From July of 2025 through October 2025, the win rate was 85.7% with a 43% average winner and 26% average net return for winners and losers combined over a one-day average hold time. There were big winners and there were smaller winners. Of course, there are going to be some losers along the way. I mean, trade at your own risk. You can see our terms on the homepage for more information. And then
I'm trying to figure out how to go through this. There we go.
You'll notice that the name of today's session is called Free Ride Summit. To clarify the phenomenon we are talking about, today has nothing to do with no free riding or withholdings or anything like that. What we are discussing today is totally different from the free ride name. It is our best way to describe that phenomenon. And this is the one I was looking for. In trading, there's going to be losers. There it is. Nobody has a black box or crystal ball or anything like that. Some miracle system that just prints out winning trades, unfortunately, right? But the whole purpose of Alex's research and work is to help traders get an edge in the markets. And if you can't handle a losing trade, then you probably shouldn't be trading with real money. You can paper trade and stuff like that. Again, losses in trading have occurred and will occur again in the future. And with that, howdy, everybody. I'm Jeff Smith. And if you could throw out all your charts, click erase on all those colorful little drawings and things, never worry about a trend, financial statement, or even technical analysis ever. What if you could ignore all of it and still have the opportunity to turn dirt cheap option contracts into what could be massive paydays? Now, like this 100% winner here on good old Lulu with options that only cost 68 cents to enter and 134% payout on the QUBT, starting with just 73 cents per contract. And here's another one of 156% on OKLO, starting with just $1.58. And you got that little pop out of that one. Now, I know this might sound crazy, even maybe even too good to be true, but according to my special guest today, Alex here, the lead options trader and coding expert for 100 million plus, financial research firm, those returns aren't even that special, and they're definitely not out of the ordinary. In fact, he sees dozens of opportunities just like those every single day. It's all thanks to a custom coded option scanner that detects which contracts could be printed to make a double or even a triple digit move, not in a month and not in a week, but in hours at a time. This is really cool. And the way it works is quite simple. All we do is wait for the option details to pop up inside the feed. And if we like what we see, we can click a few buttons on our brokerage and follow along, knowing we have the chance to walk away with what could be a double or triple digit play only hours later. For example, look at what happened with AMD here.